Ever wished your WooCommerce store could talk to your customers? I mean, not literally talk, unless you're into robot parrots. But I'm talking about smart, targeted messages that actually get results. That's where the WooCommerce Conditional Content plugin comes in. Think of it as the superpower your store's been missing. It lets you create dynamic content based on who your customer is, what they're buying, and how they're buying it. Imagine showing a special message only to VIP customers, or a last chance banner when stock is low. Hey, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. We're talking custom messages, alerts, and promotions tailored to specific users, products, even what's already in their cart. We will cover single product rules and general rules, which allow you to customize the whole store, and more generic, one-size-fits-all messaging. This plugin helps you boost sales, improve customer experience, and show that you understand your audience. In this course, we'll dive deep into creating content blocks, configuring rules for specific products, cart conditions, and even location. We'll show you how to choose the perfect spot for your messages, and we'll cover advanced techniques that'll make you a conditional content pro. So, get ready to unlock the potential of dynamic content and make your WooCommerce store smarter than ever. Let's get started.